ideas. What could people do about it, and what could the organizations do about it? I think your favorite topic is for example, the channels. Yeah. So how does the channel selection help? And channels, when we mean email, telephone, chat, portal, that kind of thing. So how will that affect the reassignments?
Yeah, so if still in our benchmark, which you can go through in the happiness score report, is portals are the most hated channel, and they are not making people happy. But happily, there are now new functionalities coming from the vendors like ServiceNow, so that you can really start to do the portal. Not only that it's looking good, but you get all the needed information to get the ticket direct to expert.
Yeah.
So you should not be thinking that as the same method of an email coming in and then somebody's trying to handle it and it's going and bouncing around. You have to design your portal so that you get those volume cases with all the data you need at once, and get that to the expert, the best person resolving that ticket or team. And then you get rid of all these steps, and there's a huge business case.
And I think here the companies who have already gotten rid of email, and maybe it's partly that the telephone channel, are in an advantage, because they already have these capabilities. They can start to utilize technology to actually put the tickets to the right people directly.
So for me, it's a kind of in many cases, I wouldn't recommend to stop using the email in the beginning, because it's so easy channel for end users, until you have made sure that your portal is more efficient for them. Then communicating to the end user, hey, please use the portal because it's more efficient for you. And that is a reason why you are closing the email. So not that you are losing and closing the email because of an IT is more efficient. It is much nicer to communicate to end users that we are doing that because it's more efficient for you.
And then you can start to add automation. Like you can start to add like virtual agents, chatbots that actually start solving these things. So you can start to use robotic process automation. So like the Finnish Postal Service, they had in finance this one service. It was some invoice handling, but no human was touching that. And the happiness of that service was +100 at that time. So really making the employees happy, because they didn't have to wait anything. And this is what you see in consumer world. I've now recently tested 2 different insurance companies, and you make a claim. The other company, in 5 minutes, you actually say that, hey, the money has been paid to your account. And the other one, it was like 5 days, and I get a mail, a written mail that, yes, we have gone through your issue and it will be paid in the next couple of days. It's just like, think about from the back end also. This other company, they have automated everything. They can be so much more leaner on the back end. And these others, they still need so much more human power to actually handle the cases.
And I would imagine the better one had also cheaper price for the insurance.
They actually did. Yes. All right. And this, I think, is also the agent intelligence. So like AI, agent intelligence, that's this kind of things. I think agent intelligence is the ServiceNow feature. So actually getting that to recognize the content of the ticket and what is mentioned and how it should be handled, to actually put it to the right person. Even it could be the 3rd level team. So kind of skipping those 2 teams and kind of skipping this argument that actually it's not my job. So, it just creates a better, I think, experience for the agents themselves as well.
True.
Yeah.
But it's really kind of for me, in all our benchmark, this statistics here is the one that you can really concretely use in what you are doing in developing service management. Think about in kind of finding those areas where this happens the most. Like in our product, you can select those reassignment. Going from 3, 4, 5 and selecting those, and then looking, okay, these are the services that are causing this bouncing, and just starting from those. Take the first 3 and automate them or get them direct to expert, and you will make a huge business case. And not only business case, but you make your end users much more happier. And that's relevantly easy when you have that data and you start to think about it.